you guys have been doing well and staying warm. It was -20 this weekend, which wasn't great. So you can imagine we didn't get outside too much. Oh, that's nice for mommy to clean up. But it is warming up this week, and next week we'll be in Mexico. So I'm so excited. I haven't been on a beach in a very long time. This is going to be Haley's first trip ever, and this is going to be Jacob's first beach vacation. But before we can even think about getting on the plane, there's still so much to do. This is the scene of the crime and the perpetrator. Haley's just gone down for a nap, so we're gonna make lunch and then drive Jacob to school. Jacob's working on his cutting skills.
I'm practicing.
Yeah, you're practicing.
I'm practicing how to cut.
Very good, sweetheart.
Like a witch.
Okay, I just dropped Jacob off at his preschool, and now we're gonna go get a haircut at Weekly. I'm all ready for my haircut. Thank you. You wanna wave at the next door? She's practicing her walking right now. Touch it.
He looks like a redhead.
Yeah, is that how the life jacket's supposed to work?
Yeah.
It's time to start packing. Oh. Found some long lost skincare in here. Before we start though, I wanted to open this with you guys. It is from Japan. It's a pair of shoes, and I'm so excited to open it. Ta-da! Look at how cute these are. These are just so cute and comfortable. Okay, let's start packing. Took me a while, but I finally found my luggage organizers. I bought these when we went to Asia a few years ago. You actually can't pack as much in them, but they're so handy because you don't have to like keep unpacking your stuff if you're going from place to place. This is the smaller size, and this is the bigger size that Eric and I share. We're gonna use one of these cubes for my daughter. This little denim set, so cute. Jumpsuit, another dress. Here's another dress. My cousin actually bought her. I believe this dress is upcycled, and I guess she probably doesn't need this many dresses. so far, this is what it looks like. We're actually only gone for a week, but you really never know with kids what they're gonna need, what they're gonna spill on. So the more the merrier for this child, at least. So many diapers. Good afternoon, everybody. My daughter's currently napping, so I'm just gonna try to make some more progress in packing. This is the state of our luggages. Also, I'm only gonna bring 2 pairs of sunglasses on this trip. I can't really decide which one I want. Number 2. Number 3. These are vintage Dita glasses. These 2 are both really similar frames. I love them both. These are top tier sunglasses for Asians, people who don't have as prominent of a nose bridge. So that's from Karen's. And this one's from Ink. Again, also fits quite nicely on my shallower nose bridge. I'm definitely gonna bring one of these ones for sure. These like are some of my favorite frames. This one is also from Ink. And last one from Ink, a little bit more of a fun one. Hopefully it fits into our luggage. I was really hoping that this would all fit in the luggage, but I think I was getting a little overzealous. So I think we might need to take 3 luggages with us. Oh. We have a lot of banana splits. You need to fill it all the way to the top. All the way to the top. Now you can mix it.
What's she good? What's she good? What's she be good?
That paints the pans all over for me. Thank you, Jay. Huh?
I painted.
You want me to? I thought you were going to. Place.
Let me eat it.
You sure? Yeah, but we gotta sprinkle it first. Banana bread looks pretty good. Here's some sugar that Jacob dumped, so that'll be fun to eat.
You need
Hello, everybody. It is Saturday afternoon, and we're just about finished packing. All that's left to pack is the stuff that we have to pack day of. We're leaving really early tomorrow, so that'll be fun. So yeah, this week has really flown by, and we're all excited to head to Mexico, and we'll see you there. Bye.